Okay, so here we go. The EQ once again, what is scarcity? It's kind of maybe a newer word to us, so this video is going to be perfect for you to figure it out. So you're going to, as usual, go to the watch. You're going to click on the link. It says scarcity for kids. And then when you're done with that, you're going to jump over to listen and read, come back to Seesaw, and you are going to open up this link for Amelia Bedelia Means Business again, and you are going to listen to chapter 10 only. Press pause, and then you're going to complete the activity on page 4, which is this. This has to do with making a choice. You've just received $5 as a gift. You can buy any of the items shown below. Job 1. Color all of the objects that are for sale. Got it. Then I'm going to draw a circle around the item or items that you chose to buy. Finally, answer the questions at the bottom of the page. How much did you spend, and what did you give up when you bought these items? Okay, have fun.